welcome to my channel, Brian Hun, and today I'm gonna share with you about Decorator in Python. So for many of you don't understand about Decorator, and myself also, I struggle with Decorator in Python for a long time, and I also researched on like Stack Overflow and FieldCodeCamp to understand deep dive about Decorator. For example, a decorator, it means like you have a birthday cake, right? And then you want to put something like chocolate, flower, leaf on plain birthday cake. So that is a decorator. It means here I have an example. You could see here I have example like have function like original function. Here it bring out we. So remember this is the example I take it from Stack Overflow. Bring out we, and then now I want to do something on it. However, I don't want to refactor from the code. Maybe this guy is the John or Nam or some guys else. So and I don't want to refactor it. I don't want to change anything yet. And then now I'm going to write a decorator on it. So I will going to write decorator here like def my decorator, and this it means I will take the function here. I mean this kind of the function. Later on we will call this function to put the argument in the another function, and then it will return another function here, but it not change anything in the original function. So you can see it. I will have a wrapper function here bring to something before some function, and after this I bring to something after it and return my wrapper. And later on it is syntax for the decorator. You will put this in decorator. See, and then now you call the original function here. Okay, Python. John. You see, do something before we. You see, you can see this will do it and not change anything here. What this function, original function, we'll call here. This is the how decorator works. So this is just a part one of the decorator. Thank you for watching.